We are pleased to show you the 2018 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, fog lamps, privacy glass, rain sensing wipers, rear wheel drive, variable speed, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.